There's no court order in place. How much child support should I give my ex? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law. This is a question that came up a couple of weeks ago. A gentleman approached me. He's been out of the house for about 2 months. His wife has been telling him that she's going to file. Nothing's been filed yet. And he's trying to figure out a fair amount of support to pay his ex. So the way that this works is that to figure out a fair child support amount, first of all, you have to look at the parenting plan. So typically the way that it works is if one parent has the children about 2/3 of the time, the other parent is paying or should pay what's called a full guidelines child support amount. So the way that that's calculated is that you can go online. We have a calculator on our website at billfariaslaw.com. You enter the gross income, the healthcare expenses, work-related childcare expenses, and the formula will give you the number that the what we'll call the non-custodial parent should be paying the primary care parent. However, if there is approximately an equal split in the parenting time, the calculation is a little bit different, and the child support calculators that are available online will allow you to check a box to indicate that the parenting time is shared. So the bottom line is the first thing you have to do is you have to figure out the parenting time. Once you figure out the parenting time, then you can enter the numbers and get a fair amount of child support. That's what's called the presumptive child support amount. And usually, unless there are other significant financial issues like serious medical issues that result in significant costs or significant travel expenses incurred for parenting time, then the presumptive child support amount is the amount that the court will order the non-custodial parent to pay, or if it's a 50-50 split, it's the parent with the higher income that's paying a certain amount to the other parent. The other thing that you should consider that's common in divorce cases is that there may be some other significant expenses that are being paid that are not factored into the child support guidelines. For example, if a non-custodial parent is paying the mortgage or other significant housing costs or other expenses for the other parent, that's something that can be taken into consideration in figuring out a fair child support amount in the meantime. If you have any questions about this, the best thing to do is consult with an attorney to figure out the amount that you should be paying. You can use the guidelines online as sort of a guide in figuring out the ballpark you should be in. But if you are paying these other expenses like housing expenses or other significant costs, then that's something that you need to take into consideration before nailing down a number. If you have any questions about this, you can call us 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to it and share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. And you can also find us on Facebook and Instagram at Farias Family Law. Thank you. Have a good day.